Are you crazy? Do you hear the music whenever I get close to that handle? You're looking at me like you still want me to go in there. Have you looked around here lately? You know what? I think you should open the door. Yeah, I mean, you're just sitting there watching. You got nothing else better to do. You should. Just right there. Just, just turn it a little. I think you should open it. I like that plan better. You get to. Yeah, that sounds pretty inviting. Yeah, that sounds great. They probably just want to say hi and hang out, you know. Yeah, we'll go with that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that thing where I backtrack and don't get pulled into a pointlessly dramatic plot riddled with more holes than its victims, covered in random people's blood. You know, kind of like the one about the heroine who makes a bunch of really smart decisions, returns home, lives a good life, and watches the occasional horror movie about the girl that opened that door. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go with that one. Seriously, I'm not going in there.